Morning everybody, I'm going to start teaching today how to make our 3D walkthrough. First thing we have to do is to pick the line, go to shapes, pick the line, and with this line I'm going to start drawing the path that the camera is going to follow. I already decided that my animation is going to start behind this tree, go around it, and finish really close to the wind turbine. So making clicks, you make the whole path. Finish without right click. If you see, right now, the lines are too straight. I need to smooth them a little because the camera is going to have a strange movements. How do I do that? I go to modify and pick the vertices. Select all the vertices in the top viewport, make a right click, smooth. Right click and smooth. If you see, I already converted all those straight lines into curves. If you also wanna edit the path by moving the vertices individually, you can do it like this. Selecting vertex by vertex and then move them. Okay? So I'm happy with this. But if you see, all the line is on the ground. Okay, what you have to do is to start moving vertex by vertex, okay, to where you need according to the idea of the 3D walkthrough that you have. Okay, that's what I've been doing here in this moment. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to start moving vertex by vertex. Okay, trying to look for the best path. Remember that the camera is going to go along with it, and I need to have natural movements. Okay, about to finish. Okay, we can check everything in the perspective viewport too. So maybe this a little bit curvy, like this. Okay, let's say I'm happy with this. After that, what I have to do is to go to the creation panel again and pick the camera, target camera. Make a click, hold, and point at the target. In this case, the wind turbine. Okay, hit escape to deselect the camera, go to perspective view, and hit the letter C to turn the camera on. If you see, the camera is on the ground. I'm going to select also the target. Remember, the target is gonna be our wind turbine. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, now we have to link the camera with the path. Okay, so how do I do that? I select the camera, go to motion. In motion, I have to open the controllers, assign controllers, position, click on assign controller. The controller that we are going to assign is path constraint. Click on path constraint, hit OK. Okay. After that, I have to add the path here in the path parameters. Add path. And click on the path. If you see our camera right now in the timeline, we can see some keyframes, okay, that show that the camera is already animated. Okay, let's hit play to see how it looks. Right now we can see the camera movements here in the top viewport. If I want to see the if I want to see the camera, okay, I go to the viewport where I turn the camera on and I hit play. It starts going up. Then it's gonna go around the whole wind turbine system. Good. And after that, the only thing that I will be missing is to change, show you how to change the animation speed. I really like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change the animation speed. Here, you are going to see something called the time configuration. It's a little watch. Okay, click there, open it, go to speed and put the lowest, okay, speed, and rescale the time. What we are going to do right here is to give more frames, okay, to add more frames to a timeline, okay, by writing the numbers that we think we need in the end time, and we hit OK, and OK again, and we have the time. Okay, that's the first part of our animation. Thanks for